Party to meet with Home Minister Amit Shah to discuss on issues prevailing in the state. And Manipur-based rock band Innotion Ice bags Red Ribbon Manipur Idol 2019 title. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Ibeto Talk Chong with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireng today disclosed that the Ministry of Home Affairs has given formal invitation to meet with Home Minister Amit Shah to discuss on various issues facing the state. He was speaking at the launch of Matru Vandan Saptaha under Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana organized by the Social Welfare Department, Government of Manipur at Chief Minister's Secretariat Hall in Babupara. Chief Minister N. Bireng disclosed that state government officials along with representatives of Manpac and all political party will meet with Home Minister Amit Shah at 10:30 p.m. tomorrow. He said that the meeting will focus on major issues including Citizenship Amendment Bill and Naga Peace Talk related issues. Chief Minister N. Bireng added that official invitation has already given to the representatives of all political party and Manpac.
Hayeng inungdang pung 10 makhai torokone aduna masida koi government gi side gi officially invitation loina haiba sida thajagre aduna invitation phangbibu sing in the larger interest of the state thoman bani na khara inconvenient laibe ai aduba ada laina ba khona ba kedongna ba koi ayamba arrange tore aduna safe phangbibu singna invitation phangbibu singna satlaga aikoi gi grievances mayam do punna hamin naruna ba hongdo minaruna ba na appeal thokjani ai samuk suyok jagani.
Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireng stressed the need to raise awareness on Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandan Yojana against women section in the state. He added that the scheme aims to keep mothers and children healthy to build a strong society. Bireng urged DCs and officials concerned to ensure that benefits of the scheme to every single beneficiaries. He further urged them to reach out the scheme especially in rural and far-flung areas. Taking part in the event, Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgen said that the scheme aims to ensure improved health, good nutrition and feeding practices for the first live birth. He urged all pregnant and lactating mothers to avail the benefits of the scheme.
This program was launched in the year 2017. Till now, it has covered around 1.2 crore beneficiaries in all over India. But why today it is launching again as a week-long program? Because people are not widely aware and widely not getting the benefit, which is going to be given for them only. That is the reason why this 1 week long, from today on or to the 8th December, we are going to organize it in every part of the state.
Pradhan Mantri Matru scheme se ningtina implement tona ba hot nagada department gi officer khaknatana I khoi miyam gi achoba thodang le India da masi gi pregnant women amadi lactating mothers singna machi leba chinja chaba phangdeba gi thenari ba awa ba singado masi PMBY kimasina khaladan oirabasu kokhan bangamani.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Manipur rock band Innotion Ice winning the Red Ribbon Manipur Idol 2019 title. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Afternoon News. Manipur-based rock band Innotion Ice has bagged the Red Ribbon Manipur Idol 2019 title and will be representing Manipur by performing in the Northeast Battle of the Bands 2019. Manipur will host the event at Vegachandra Open Air Theatre both on December 18. Manipur State AIDS Control Society (MAX) organized a grand finale of Red Ribbon Manipur Idol 2019 on the theme Music Against AIDS at Manipur Rifles Ground yesterday. Innotion Ice bagged the winner title in the Battle of Bands participated by 6 rock bands from different districts of Manipur. According to a report by India Meteorological Department, an earthquake of magnitude 4.5 on the Richter scale struck the Myanmar-India border region at around 6:42 this morning. No loss of life or property has been reported so far. Now the sports news. Jamshedpur FC will play against Northeast United FC in a match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-20 at JRD Tata Sports Complex tonight at 7:30. Kerala Blasters and Goa FC ended in 2-2 draw in the league match played at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Kerala yesterday. For Kerala Blasters, Sergio Sidoncha and Rafael Messi Baldi scored 1 goal each in the first and 59 minutes, while for Goa FC, Mortada Fall and Lenny Rodriguez scored 1 goal each at 41st and 90 plus 2 minutes. Churchill brothers defeated Minerva Punjab 3-0 and Chennai City FC beat Rao FC 1-0 in the respective league matches of the ongoing Hero I-League yesterday. For the winners of the league match played at Goa's Fatoda Stadium, Lalkau Puimawia scored 2 goals at 45 plus 2 and 81st minute, and Willis Plaza scored 1 goal at 78th minute, while Adolfo Miranda scored the lone winning goal for Chennai City FC at Coimbatre's Nehru Stadium. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Home Ministry formally invites state government, Manipur and all political parties to meet with Home Minister Amit Shah to discuss on issues prevailing in the state. And Manipur-based rock band in Ocean Ice bags Red Ribbon Manipur Idol 2019 title.